Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. Today I've got another episode of, this one is Search for Snacks. I sent away from this for an import company. This is by Lays. It's an import, a different kind of chip. And I don't know what to think about it, but I'm going to give it a try. It is Lays and it is numb and spicy hot pot flavor. And apparently it's going to be very spicy. I don't know. 378 calories for the whole bag, I guess. Actually, there are a lot of different weird flavors that were imported, and I'm gonna try this one. Looks like lots of hot pepper and maybe like a beef broth or something like that. I know they have hot pot meals where you cook the meat and in the broth and vegetables and whatnot, but I'm gonna give it a try. So here we go, guys. Numb and spicy. That doesn't sound good. But here we go. Yes. Whoa. All right. These are kind of the wavy style chips. Let's see if I can. Okay. There we go. It has pretty good flavor, pretty good coating there. And I can already see a little bit of spice on the outside. I think it is going to be a little bit spicy. So here we go, guys. Yeah. Brothy. Like a soup. Wow. I can taste that hot. Yeah. Like a broth. You had a soup, and that's really infused into that chip itself. Wow. Yeah. Quite spicy. I can feel that peppery that hot pepper flavor hitting the tip of my tongue, making it a little bit numb, yeah. Kind of killing off the taste buds. Nice and crispy and crunchy. A little bit thicker than I would have liked. But I think that's to hold the flavor and the spice in the grooves. Really can taste that heat in that one, yeah. Wow. Really waking it up. Mostly like a chili broth, a real soupy, rich broth flavor, but there is a lot of peppery chili that's hitting the tongue. Waking up the taste buds. This may go good like a ranch dip or a French onion or something. But just on its own, it's quite spicy. It really wakes your flavor up. It is a little bit numbing with that super hot, spicy flavor. One more. Okay. So yeah, not too bad. It's crunchy, it's different. It's definitely hot. It's not outrageous, but it does pack a little bit of heat, does pack a little bit of flavor. If you're not a fan of spice, don't get this one. They had other ones, a hot pot. I don't think it was as spicy. But yeah, the flavor's there. Peppery, spicy, chili. All the above, a little bit of lingering, leaves my tongue a little bit numb. Exactly what it says. So for the numb and spicy hot pot flavor, Lays, I go 9. 9 out of 10. Not bad. Good flavor, a little bit spicy, not too bad. It does kind of make your tongue tingle. And without being super duper hot, like not like fiery hot. More subtle, more peppery, like I said, numbing. Just kind of sits there. So take a look online. Lots of different import companies. They have monthly things. They have all that stuff. I bought a whole lot of stuff and it was free shipping. Lots of different snacks, chips, candies, sodas, all kinds of different stuff for you guys to try. So there you go, guys. Another flavor of Lays, unique and interesting. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So until next time on Drew's Food Reviews, I'll be trying something new and hot pot and spicy for you. And hopefully my tongue will not go to sleep completely. So until next time, guys, talk to you later.